So 99designs is an online platform that connects clients with talented graphic designers for projects like logos, websites, packaging, and more. And after struggling to find high-quality design options for some of my own projects, and wasting way too much time trying to work with freelancers who didn't quite get what I wanted, I did some research and decided to give 99designs a try. And so for the past few months, I've been testing out their platform to see how well it actually works. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through my experience with 99designs, including how it works, their pricing, and the pros and cons. So by the end, you'll be able to decide if it's worth giving it a try or not. And if you're interested in trying out 99designs, I've left a discounted affiliate link in the description down below, so you can get started with a better deal than going directly through their website. With that said, let's get right into it. So first I want to talk about what 99designs is. 99designs originally started as part of a website called SitePoint back in 1999, where designers would basically participate in contests just for fun. But in 2008, it officially launched as its own company, making it easier for clients to get professional designs. Basically, instead of searching for individual freelancers, you can now either start a design contest where multiple designers submit ideas, or you can hire a designer directly if you already have a specific style in mind. And over the years, it's grown into one of the most popular platforms for custom design, connecting people with talented designers from all over the world and offering a wide range of options to fit different styles and needs. Now let's talk about how 99designs actually works and how you can use it to get professional designs. Well, first, you want to create a free account and choose the type of design that you're looking for, whether it's a logo, website, or something like product packaging. After that, you can look through the different styles to get an idea of what you like and what fits your vision. I was looking for a logo, so that's what I chose and moved on to the next step. Once you've picked the type of design, you'll fill out a short brief. This is basically where you describe the project that you're looking for and share your vision with the designers. You can include details like your preferences, specific design elements, and the overall style you want. For my logo, I wanted something clean and modern with bold colors, so I made sure to mention that. It's a quick step, but it's very important because the brief is what helps the designers understand exactly what you're looking for. Once your brief is ready, you can either decide to run a design contest or hire a designer directly. I personally chose the contest option because I wanted to see a variety of ideas from different designers. It was actually a really fun experience. I got about 60 unique submissions in just a few days, and each design had a different creative side to it, and I loved having so many options to choose from. But if you prefer a more personalized approach, you can skip the contest and hire a designer directly through their directory. This option is ideal if you already have a clear style in mind or come across a designer whose work resonates with you. The directory basically lets you go through portfolios, check reviews from past clients, and choose a designer who feels like the perfect match for your project. Now back to the contest. Once it goes live, you'll start getting submissions pretty quickly, sometimes within a day or two. This part is super interactive because you can review the designs, leave feedback, and even eliminate the ones that you didn't like as much. For me, this was actually one of my favorite parts of the process. I left comments like, "Can we try a brighter color palette?" or "I love this design, but could you adjust the font?" and a few small changes here and there. And I have to say, the designers were really responsive and made changes until I was happy with the designs. Once you've narrowed it down to your top favorites, you'll start working closer with the finalists. This is where the real collaboration starts. You can ask for little changes, improve the details, and make sure that the design goes perfectly with your vision. In my experience, the designers I worked with were incredible. They listened to all my feedback, made every revision I requested, and just really brought my ideas to life. Then, after the design is finalized, you'll choose your winner, and the designer will provide you with all the final files. Plus, you'll get full copyright ownership, making the design completely yours to use however you'd like. I personally ended up with a logo that I loved for my brand. Besides that, one thing I really appreciated about 99designs is their customer support. If you ever run into any issues or have any questions, their team is available 24/7 through live chat and email, and they're super responsive. I had a quick question about file formats during my project, and they got back to me right away through live chat, which made things so much easier. They also have phone support if that's what you prefer. Alright, so that's all well and good, but how much does it all cost? 99designs offers 4 different packages: Bronze, Silver, Gold, and Platinum. The Bronze plan costs around $300 and is the most affordable option if you're looking for basic design options, and includes approximately 30 design concepts from different designers, giving you a variety of ideas to choose from. Next up, we have the Silver plan, which costs around $500 and gives you access to more experienced designers and around 60 design concepts. It's a great choice if you want a good mix of style, creativity, and affordability. I actually went with this plan and was really impressed with the variety of designs I received and felt like I had plenty of creative options. After that, there's the Gold plan, which costs about $900 and lets you work with more skilled designers and gives you around 90 design submissions to choose from. This plan is ideal if you're working on something really important, like branding for a business, and want to make sure you're getting high quality concepts. Lastly, there's the Platinum plan, which is the top tier option and costs just under $1,300. With this plan, you'll get about 60 design concepts from the most experienced designers on the platform. What really sets it apart, though, is the dedicated project manager who works with you throughout the entire process, making sure everything runs smoothly and stays on track. So if you're looking for the highest quality and want the best possible experience, this plan is probably your best option. Plus, all the plans come with a 60-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not happy with the final design, you can get a full refund. And again, if at this point you're really considering trying 99designs out, I'll leave a discounted affiliate link in the description below that'll get you a better deal than going directly to their website. Now, while 99designs has a lot going for it, like just about every product or service, or really just about anything, it's not perfect. For example, something to keep in mind is that running a design contest can take a bit of time. While it's exciting to see submissions come in, it takes a few days to start seeing a good variety of designs, and then there's the time spent reviewing them and giving them feedback. So if you're on a tight deadline, hiring a designer directly might be a better option, since you can start working with them right away. Another thing is that the Bronze plan is pretty limited in terms of the designers that you'll get. So if you're working with a smaller budget, it's a good starting point, but you might not get submissions from the platform's more experienced designers. So for more complicated projects and more detail in the design, I'd recommend considering at least the Silver plan to get access to more talented designers. So now the big question is, would I recommend 99designs? Absolutely. If you're looking for professional custom designs and want a platform that's straightforward and easy to use, 99designs is a great option. Whether you're launching a new business, refreshing your branding, or just need a unique design like a logo, website, or even packaging. Now, what I really like about 99designs is how flexible it is. You can start a design contest and get ideas from lots of different designers, which is perfect if you're looking for new creative options. But if you already know what style you want, you can skip the contest and hire a designer directly, especially if you see someone whose portfolio matches the style that you're looking for. So if you're starting something new or updating your brand, 99designs is definitely worth checking out. It made things so much easier for me, and I think you'll find it just as helpful. And just to remind you one more time, if you're thinking about giving 99designs a try, I'll leave a discounted affiliate link down in the description below for an extra discount that you won't find directly on their website. Anyway, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this review helpful, and if you did, please hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews like this one. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know down in the comments below, and I'll try to get to them as soon as possible. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.